the result of mechanical up-degree concerning thinking, planning, and conceptualizing has been wonderful, particularly for digital currencies. The individuals who adjust to the quickly changing business sector climate, develop, and the people who neglect to coordinate speed with the feeling, die. Similar turns out as expected for some prominent digital currencies. One such name is SUSHISWAP. The ongoing business sector rank is number 128 on CoinMarketCap, making itself continually dependable and accessible at lower cost, improving the liquidity to the financial backers. SUSHI, the local badge of SUSHISWAP, SUSHI, has taken special care of the predictable ascent sought after of the financial backers. The advanced guide cut by SUSHI for its clients has placed their power in the possession of financial backers, expanding the liquidity potential. Before we dive into the SUSHISWAP cost forecast, let us examine a portion of the remarkable highlights of SUSHISWAP. Taking a gander at the consistent upsurge in the cost of SUSHISWAP, it merits seeing how the value outline of SUSHISWAP has performed over years. Members benefit from the blockchain-empowered utilitarian benefits. SUSHISWAP works with gains, however constructs trust. SUSHISWAP's portion-empowered accommodation as well as sustains confidence, assisting clients with building fortunes, sending different decentralized application capabilities as powerhouses and suspected pioneers. As per the specialized examination and SUSHI coin cost forecast, by end of 2022, the cost of SUSHISWAP, SUSHI, will be $4.41261 with good faith, posing a potential threat in coming not many years. Time is ready to put resources into SUSHISWAP now. In light of the SUSHISWAP gauge, the year 2022 may give a vertical push to SUSHISWAP, taking it to $11.370 for the time being. With a 5-year productive speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 347.36%. Your current $100 speculation choice might ultimately depend on $447.36 in 2027. As per SUSHI cost expectation, SUSHISWAP cost ought to show an extraordinary potential, and a value change should have been visible to $4 before the current year's over in positive circumstances. SUSHISWAP value expectation 2022. Be that as it may, since the SUSHI/USD cost ascend with an expansion in exchanging volume, moderately keeping a low exchanging action may not be supportive of SUSHISWAP, as new coins cost are essentially added to the flow, weakening the stockpile. Seeing the 100% return as significant, there are negative opinions winning that to bridge additional expectations of cost increment, pushing SUSHISWAP to $8.50 start of the year 2022. The typical cost could reach at $8.80 in 1 year. SUSHISWAP value expectation 2023. The capability of SUSHISWAP is additionally encouraged by the hearty help region presented by prosperous Chinese business visionaries. Being discussed over and over, the costs of SUSHISWAP have demonstrated dynamism and change all the while. Yet again, subsequently taking the specialists' perspectives, SUSHI value forecasts, and help from the proprietorship, the resource cost might flood because of fastidious arranging methodology being vertically at $12 by 2023 end. SUSHISWAP, SUSHI, value forecast 2024. A few specialists likewise contend that the group of SUSHISWAP misses the mark concerning a forceful organization binge which can be accomplished as future outcomes and somersaulting the whole chain of occasions for the token. An uplifting cost expectation estimate for the later long stretches of 2023 and 2025 demonstrates that the value change of SUSHI/USD is ready for an astonishing excursion, posting a development pace of 1,325.589% inside the following 5 years. The typical cost will reach to $11.90 in the year 2024. SUSHISWAP, SUSHI, value expectation 2025. SUSHISWAP specialized examination and SUSHISWAP conjecture additionally demonstrate markets will shock its fans by fixing the future cost at $16.80 by 2025. SUSHISWAP value expectation 2026. While the significant improvements have influenced the SUSHISWAP, SUSHI, cost pushing them in a positive heading, The cryptographic money market is by all accounts holding much more commitment in the years to come. The main obstacle and the method of the success of SUSHISWAP digital currency is tremendous reliability on decentralized applications at which the costs are absolutely subject to advertised development. The cost is anticipated to reach $17 in the drawn-out in the year 2026. Thus, it is a right venture guidance. As per the specialist's own examination, the SUSHI yield arrived at 1,500% in 1 year. The need to acquire SUSHI tokens to partake in the pool additionally stamped positive cost change toward the start of the second quarter of 2021. Standing tall and firm around $3.53 of current cost with a market cap of $446,335,486.22, SUSHI is supposed to be bullish till this year end. At the hour of composing the SUSHISWAP cost expectation, the circling supply waits around 127,244,443 SUSHI, and the 24 hours cost change is practically 6.84%. SUSHISWAP, SUSHI, opening the potential. SUSHI being liquidity in the possession of the financial backer is done full equity too. The whole foundation of SUSHI rotates around liquidity, and even more so when clients are not utilizing SUSHI, they can in any case profit from the halfway procuring receiving an attractive benefit. This element of SUSHI outperforms any remaining benefits of this crypto resource that makes certain to crown it as a gem in the realm of computerized monetary forms. Check here are other crypto cost forecasts. Is SUSHISWAP, SUSHI, a wise venture? In light of SUSHISWAP cost forecasts, and actually yes. As per basics of unwavering quality and strong openness of liquidity, SUSHI would end up being a trailblazer in the whole digital money world. On a cynical scale, this computerized resource, despite the fact that may not blow the rooftop at the cost but rather will definitely stand firm feet on the ground. Financial backers and merchants can begin exchanging and a decent return can be anticipated from this coin. Will SUSHISWAP coin cost reach $50? Dramatic or hazardous development. According to the transient SUSHISWAP cost forecasts, SUSHI coin cost might be a distortion. Particularly on the grounds that because of pandemic the majority of the digital currencies have endured a terrible shot. The equivalent is valid for SUSHISWAP as well. Notwithstanding, the token has gigantic potential, thus the expansion and development is hopefully anticipated. Now that the pandemic is retreating, it would continuously be incredible information for SUSHI holders as well, and it very well may be the greatest cost. What are the SUSHI reward programs? These are the best icings to be appreciated with SUSHI. These prizes make SUSHI a charming purchase. Normally, financial backers and dealers all over the